Hi there. Do you want to create your own wall type in Revit? Here's how you can make your custom wall with different layers. Select any wall and go to Edit Type, then click on Duplicate. Rename the wall type so it's easy to identify. Now, click on Edit Structure. Here you can control wall layers like finish, core, and insulation. You can change thickness, material, and function for each layer. Always keep the main structural layer under core boundary. Click OK and Done. Your custom wall type is ready to use in this project. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more Revit tutorials video. Thank you for watching.